What are the best practices for FBA SEO for Amazon? FBA SEO for Amazon refers to optimizing your product listings so they appear higher in Amazon search results, driving more traffic and conversions. The best practices focus on keyword research, listing optimization, and ongoing performance tracking. A well-optimized listing not only improves visibility, but also helps convert visitors into buyers, which is key to long-term success on Amazon. The first best practice is keyword optimization. Use tools like Helium 10 to identify high traffic and low competition keywords related to your product. Place these keywords strategically in the title, bullet points, product description, and backend search terms. This helps Amazon's A9 algorithm understand your product's relevance and rank it higher for targeted searches. Next, focus on content and performance optimization. Write clear, benefit-driven copy and use high-quality images to improve click-through and conversion rates. Track keyword rankings and performance metrics using Helium 10 Cerebro and Keyword Tracker tools. They show how your product ranks over time and which keywords bring in the most sales. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced SEO tools that help you research, optimize, and grow your Amazon FBA listings for better visibility, traffic, and conversions.